Look at what they're doing to an old man.
Okay.
That's a citizen of Canada.
Shoot at the horn, you pissed off.
That's right.
That's
So
exactly
is
what
everybody
you
who lives here.
are. I can be a
Doesn't
million-
matter.
What about them?
This is the capital of Canada. Drop your mandates. Stand down.
I don't have
You're not doing your job. You're representing hate. You're a terrorist. You're a terrorist.
I don't know why the fuck
You're representing hate. No.
Driver's license.
You're representing hate.
Call your lawyer.
You'd be really in
Call your
trouble.
lawyer. I don't
Then you'd
care.
have
Give
to
me your
suck
driver's
up the
license,
throat.
insurance registration.
You have to suck up your foot. Maybe you're on this type, but I mean,
Focus.
because I shoot at the horn, you got guy because you start flying.
That's right. He's a supporter for Canadian freedom. Who cares? They shouldn't live in the capital of Canada then. They better leave. Because until the mandates are ended, this is not going to stop.
Show your license.
Stop harassing old men. You don't have to show them anything. It's against the law. You just
I'm not gonna.
for what? Hey, what are you doing?
Failing to ID.
Hey, that's assault. I've got it all on video.
Failed to ID.
Yeah, he failed to ID.
Get back.
Hey!
Get back. Get back.
We're back. We're filming. We're doing our part.
Get back.
It's all on video. No, don't say anything. Don't say anything.
You attack me? You attack me? You're a fucking goof.
Hey, Ritz, stand down. Stand down. Stand down. Ritz, no, it's peaceful. No, let them
Fucking
do.
attack me, you fucking goof. Fucking fucking not doing shit. Touch me, punk ass.
This is going right to the media. YouTube. What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number? What's your name and badge number?
Yeah, you're assaulting.
Look, they're hurting an old man, a Canadian citizen. It's communism. This is communism. He's scared. Communist.
You stand with the communist fucking government.
Call your police chief. He'll back you up.
Call the police.
Call your police chief.
Fucking arresting citizens.
Arrested an old man. Shame on you. Shame on you.
What are you making?
Hinges, sir.
I've got some workers coming in tomorrow. Where the hell are they from again?
Yugoslavia, Commandant.
I've got to make room. Make me a hinge.
Yes, sir.
By 25,000.
Yeah, you're doing well. Oh, that's very good. But I'm a bit confused, and perhaps you can help me. What I don't understand is that you've been working since, I think, what, about 6 this morning. Yet, such a small pile of hinges. Oh, Christ.
Yeah, try that, sir.
Check the angle lever, maybe it's bent.
No. You wouldn't hear a click, it was the angle of it's the pin.
Maybe it's the pin. Maybe the pin shaft is
come on.
greasy.
What did I just say? Yeah.
Herr Commandant,
Let me see.
I beg to report that my heap of hinges was so unsatisfactory because the machines were being recalibrated this morning. I was put on to shoveling coal.
Let's have a look at some of the footage from Canada, where what has happened now, Justin Trudeau, and I'll be talking about this more in a minute, Justin Trudeau has declared an emergency act, the strongest and most repressive tool in his government to try and silence and starve these people, to stop them getting their hands on their own money, to stop them getting petrol, to stop them getting food. It's insane what Trudeau is doing. Just have a look at now that the troops have moved in on these people.
Wow, what is this lady doing? Trampling. Trampling horses. Trampling. Stop it. Stop it.
Oh my God! Don't be selfish. We all want dogs.
Hey, you don't have to hit him like that.
Move back!
Please.
Doesn't one of you take my hand and come and feel this beautiful power of light and love? You guys don't look like bad people. You look like good people. You don't look like bad people. You look like you have good hearts. To have the strength. To stand up like we are.
This is terrifying, James.
Well, I'll tell you what, Ro and Rita, we have gone from 2 weeks to flatten the curve to 2 weeks to flatten protesters, take your money out of your bank account, make peaceful protest a crime. It is an absolute disgrace. And, you know, it is quite telling, I think, that so-called peaceful, progressive, you know, universal liberal Canada has beneath that velvet glove a real iron fist. And it's very, very telling because it's not just about COVID. It is about how all of these progressive governments, think about Jacinda Ardern in New Zealand, think of so many others. Macron. Victoria. Exactly right. And every one of these times where, what's the root cause here? They've sacrificed basic principles of individual rights for the collective good. And every time you do that, it ends in tears. That is what is happening here. Make no mistake, this is what happens when you collectivize rights. You literally trample individuals underfoot.